And I think with hormones though, we can't think of them in isolation, so it's useful to know what that hormone does, but it interacts with multiple other hormones. So what is the thyroid and what does it do? So the thyroid is a butterfly-shaped gland in your neck, and there's so many things that it does. There's thyroid receptors all over the body. In my book, I've referred to it as the metabolic hormone. So it sets the pace of your body. That's the way I like to think of it. But in terms of what else it does, I always start from the top and work my way down. So it's really important because we've got lots of thyroid receptors within the brain. So it's really important for our mood, our cognition, and our memory. If we're moving further down, so hair, skin, nail health, really important with that as well. Moving down to the heart, it's really important for heart function, and bowels as well, setting the pace of whether it's going too fast or too slow, really important for your bowel health. It's really important for bone health. And then from a fertility point of view as well, it has got roles in reproduction and how our ovaries and everything else work as well. So there's lots of things that the thyroid does. And I think with hormones though, we can't think of them in isolation, so it's useful to know what that hormone does, but it interacts with multiple other hormones. The thyroid produces two main hormones, T4 and T3. There is also T2, which we won't be talking about today, but T4 is the inactive version and T3 is the active version. T4 and T3 are both protein-based peptide hormones, and so for them to be carried in the blood, there is a carrier called thyroid binding globulin, and so that's how it's carried in the blood. So it's really important that we get enough protein within our diet to support our hormonal health, and we'll talk a bit later in another video about what happens if your thyroid's not working as quick as we'd like, or if it's working in overdrive, because that can give us various symptoms, and there's lots of ways we can look at in terms of our management plan of what we can do to assist. Hi, thank you for watching my video. I hope you thought it was of value. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.